So it's favorite time of the month. Fix a leaks on the C4. I do this all the time. I swear this thing, I fix one leak, I have another one. Oil pan leaked, the exciter leak. Now I got a band here. So this uses, you basically, these bands can't be moved, this top nut. So you use a 3/4, and I believe it's, I can't remember if it's a 1/4 inch. Yeah, it's 1/4 inch. You hold it and you back this out. You hold this, back this out, and then these kits I can't recommend enough. But so I buy these kits, and they have all the different seals and stuff for the transmission. It's always good to have one of these around. That way if they do any work. But you can see here they have the replacement bolts with the rubber on them. So if you do one band bolt, you want to do another one. You want to do two, or both of them, that is. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. It's been leaking really bad if you look at it, so got to put a new one on. So first I'm going to clean it. Now there's nothing up in there, it just disintegrated, looks like, over the years.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.